Howdy and welcome to BitPay FAQ. Today we're going to learn how to shift between digital currencies using the ShapeShift integration in the BitPay and CoPay wallet. Currently our ShapeShift integration lets you trade Bitcoin for Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin Cash for Bitcoin. To begin, make sure you have downloaded either the BitPay or CoPay wallet. Next, make sure you have both a Bitcoin and a Bitcoin Cash wallet. Links to how to do both are in the description. You'll also want to make sure you have some Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash in one of your wallets. Then scroll down to Next Steps and click ShapeShift. From there, click Start. Look over the current rate of exchange, the limit of what you can shift, and the smallest amount of what you can shift. Click Continue and enter an amount of Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash that you want to shift. If you put in an amount below the smallest amount, you'll get an error. The same kind of error pops up if you try to put in more than the largest amount allowed. Once you enter an acceptable amount, the app will take you to the final screen. You'll be able to double check which wallets you are sending and receiving from. You'll also be able to see the Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash miner fee and the total amount that you are sending. From there, you can click to shift if you are okay with the miner fee and total amount that you see on the screen. After that, you're done. Once your transaction confirms on the Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash network, ShapeShift will complete the trade. When that's done, you will receive your new Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash balance, usually within minutes. Waiting on a shift to complete? You can check the status of your shifts on the home screen of the ShapeShift integration. And now the shift is completed. We can scroll up and look in our Bitcoin Cash wallet and see that we have received the shift. And it's as simple as that. Check out our other videos to learn more about our products and services. And if this video helped you, be sure to give it a like. You can follow us on Twitter or like us on Facebook. Also, if you can't find a video that helps you, please visit help.bitpay.com. Thanks for watching.